Guys, we're being quiet, we're whispering because we just broke into Fort Knox, and we don't want to get picked up by the security folks. So let's show you all the gold that we just found.
If you've been into Home Depot or Lowe's lately and you've walked down the construction aisle, you may have thrown yourself back and said, whoa, what's up with that wood? But what does the booming lumber pricing going to do to us buy and hold investors? I'm going to tell you what I'm seeing, right? Here in Gulf Breeze, Florida, an average price of a 2x4, an 8-foot, just standard 8-foot 2x4 was $2.78. This week in April 2021, that same stud, that 2x4, 8-foot standard stud is $10.22. That's nearly 5 times what it was just a year ago. Guys, that is absolutely crazy. What does the rising cost of lumber supply mean for the housing market? There are several guys here on YouTube, including myself, who were predicting this housing crash, referred to it as a buying season that was coming on the horizon, right? But all of those predictions, none of them predicted what this little guy was going to do right here. How lumber pricing was just going to boom. Don't lowball me. I know what I have here. There are new builds. There are new builds in my neighborhood right now that have completely halted. I have to believe it's because of the rising cost of not only lumber, but other building materials. And I'm not talking about they went a week without doing anything. This one house has been sitting there for over 2 months now. There has not been a single worker on site. For us buy and hold investors, for the properties that we already own, this is kind of good news, right? We get to, if competition's not being built out and there's not new product coming on the market, that means rents should eventually catch up. With less supply coming into the market, that means our rental rates should be able to go up. However, if you are in acquisition mode, right, and you're looking to purchase more properties, the lack of that housing supply, it's doing what? It's making your investing criteria look like you're a crazy person. You're going to have to pay more for that rental than you probably will in order for it to hit your investing criteria, in order for it to cash flow, in order for you to get it at the price you need to feel comfortable in case a downturn happens. And I want to express just a word of encouragement. I get discouraged looking at all these properties and thinking, how in the hell are investors buying these and making them work? Stick to your criteria. Eventually, you're going to come across a deal. It may be a year or 2 years down the road. You're going to come across a home run, and you might be buying somebody having a bad deal because they didn't do their proper due diligence and they were not as in tune with what the market's doing now. I just want to encourage you to stick to your criteria when you're looking at deals right now. Finding amazing deals is a key component in being a full-time real estate investor. Check out this video where I teach you exactly how I find motivated sellers using PROPSTREAM.